is Nikita. I'm a weight loss specialist based in Dubai. In my career, I have come across many amazing people, and one of them is Guinea. When I first met her, she said, Nikita, I'm going to be your best client. At that time, I didn't know what to expect. But what transpired in the coming months were the results, which were absolutely brilliant. This video captures her transformational journey. Do check it out.
Hello everyone, my name is Guinea Gupta. I'm a proud mother of 2 kids and I do the balancing act of managing my house, my kids and my work. I started training with Nikita when I had my second baby and I put on a whopping 25 kilos. We started slowly after only 3 months of delivering as I had a C-section. Nikita put me on slow workouts initially because I was having a lot of issues with my back, my knee because of the excessive weight, and slow progressive workouts helped me get my strength, my momentum and a routine. And slowly by steadily we made the workouts more intense, which gave us good results. When I started training with her, I was 95 kilos and within maybe a year we came down to 70 kilos. It was about 25 kilos in a span of years, or just about a little bit about a year. So initially it was a bit challenging because my baby was too small, I was breastfeeding, I had to be with him every 2 hours. We had to make do with working out at home. So Nikita used practically everything. We worked out outdoors because the weather was good. She used my bench, my outdoor tables, chairs, staircase, garden, anything that she could get hold of, she made me work out on it. It was fun, it was adding a fun element, but it was also very, it was strenuous, and at the same time I was not doing the same thing every day. But what I enjoyed the maximum was my kickboxing sessions with her. I used to beg her, please make me do kickboxing session at least once a week, because that used to give me a lot of confidence and courage, and just it was just too much fun. We all know that a workout is non-effective if the diet is not good. Nikita helped me majorly with my diet. She put me on various diet plans right from the beginning. So in the beginning I was still breastfeeding, I had to have a lot of milk. She was not happy about it, but I had to have because I was feeding my baby. But we managed to even monitor that. I had to have a nutritious diet, I had to have that many number of calories. She helped me with that diet initially, and I was maintaining a diary which she was strictly monitoring, watching on a daily basis what I was eating, what I was not eating. As the weight started dropping slowly, she switched me on to controlled calories and eating frequently. And after about 8-9 kilos, I think, she put me on a low carb diet for about a month or 2 months, which really brought the weight down. And then we juggled between a low carb and a no carb diet on alternate days. This happened for another, I think, 5 to 7 kilos. And eventually, when the stubborn weight came towards the end, the last 7 to 8 kilos was the most difficult. It just wouldn't go. And that's when she switched me on to intermittent fasting. I think that did wonders for me and dropped the weight down. I think towards the end, the weight just came down with intermittent fasting. It took some time, but it has given me very good results. Even today, when I've lost all my weight, she insists that I have just about any and everything as long as I work out well and I'm eating in limited quantities. So while this whole process of weight loss was going on, It wasn't a very smooth ride. We faced a lot of challenges. I had a back issue, I had a knee issue. For about a week, I was in tremendous knee pain, but we didn't stop. She didn't let me stop. You know, normally people feel, okay, pain ho gaya hai, let's stop. It's not working for me. When there was knee pain, she gave me exercises which was completely on the floor, like 1 hour workout on the floor, which targeted the back, the lower abdomen, the hips, the thighs. We didn't stop. She gave me a lot of knee strengthening exercises, which we did with the TheraBand and with the tennis ball. I mean, knee strengthening exercises with tennis ball really helped me on my knee. When there were back issues, we went slow on the back. She gave me a lot of back stretches, and we went on.
What I have observed in Ginny is she's someone, if she decides something, no matter what, she will give her mind and soul to achieve it. From the start, Ginny has been very disciplined. Like, we used to train at 6:30 a.m. in the mornings, and there was hardly any cancellation.
I have benefited with her training tremendously by having a better posture, being stronger, having much more confidence, and in various other ways. She was in constant touch with me on a daily basis about how I was feeling. She would guide me through every process. If I was going on a holiday or if I was going out, she would tell me what is the right thing to eat. My life never stopped. I never compromised on anything. Everywhere she had a solution, and she gave me the way out to eat healthy, and be a happier and healthy and confident person. Not only my trainer, she's become a very good friend. I would want to start chatting with her in the middle of workouts, and she was so strict, and she was like, no, we have to finish the workout. She helped me tremendously, and I would highly recommend, because I felt so much warmth with her and so comfortable with her. She was never very pushy. She never made me feel embarrassed about my weight. She gave me that confidence. I'm really thankful to her to help me in this journey, and I would recommend her to everybody who's looking for a progressive weight loss journey.